Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Dave here. We're coming up to Monday, March the 8th. And as you can see in my surroundings, I'm here at the Gold Gym. In the southwest area, our Gold Gym. There's 3 or 4 Gold Gyms all over Austin. Just finished up with the bubbles. I was debating it to see if I should turn it on again. It's 7:16 in the morning. I haven't done any exercise because a friend of mine, or a friend of my employer, had brought a cat around. And at this moment here, I probably don't even know what I'm saying because I'm falling asleep. So let's fall asleep together before I commit this expensive camera to its full potential. I want to make sure that the doors are all sealed in. And let's go in the water together. So anyways, worked out nice. The doors work well. I came up with a dilemma. That's going to be in another video, in another account. It's going to be more or less of a discussion more than anything else. It's going to be involving a little bit of religion and decision making. Lo and behold, I was before I got here to the Gold Gym, I was coming from the ranch. I was real sleepy. I still feel sleepy. But I got out of the truck with a blanket. It was kind of cool outside. I just leaned my head against the hood. The hood was warm because I had the truck on. And it felt so nice to be leaning against my head against the hood. When suddenly my legs gave out. And wham! I went down to the floor with blanket and everything. And I'm like, what the hell just happened? I woke up, fully woke. I was like, whoa, I fell asleep. My legs gave out, and I pretty much went down, causing an earth tremor. It's kind of embarrassing. That has never happened to me. I've almost fell before, almost fell. But this time I went all the way. I must have been real tired. I just woof, I'm down the dirt floor. There at the field. It's not a good feeling. And then you got the dog licking all over you. It's like, what the hell? Oh my gosh. Hopefully this jacuzzi will warm up my bones a bit and I'd be able to just take it towards another day. Anyways, enough talk. It's getting boring, and I'm sure you're getting bored also. And by the way, please like and subscribe my channel. I really appreciate you be helping me out. I'm gonna turn on I should turn on the jacuzzi, but you know what? It's really 7:20 in the morning. I think I will. I'll turn it on one more time. I'll be right back. Anyways, heck, I'm not even sure if you can hear me, but in other news, the governor of the state of Texas, Greg Abbott, had declared that this Wednesday he is going to open all of the state of Texas. Nobody's going to be closed. Everything's going to be open. No more wearing masks. Unless you feel better wearing a mask, then that's fine. But it's not going to be an obligation. Some businesses, and I've checked with them already, several HEBs, several large department stores are still going to require you to wear a mask, or they will not let you in. Since they have the right to refuse service to anyone, a lot of the businesses are going to require you to continue wearing a mask. I don't mind wearing my mask. I got used to it already. There's nothing wrong with that. I would have loved for the Gold Gym to turn on their sauna and their steam room. I spoke with the manager before I came into the pool area, and he had said that they're going to still wait a while on that. It's not a state mandate or a city regulation. It's just up to him. He's just playing it a little bit cool. He wants to make sure that everything is calmed down. So, anyways, that's all I have for today. Last night was pretty quiet. We got the watermelons that are growing. The onions are growing. Oh, we have a lake close by, and I had noticed, and I didn't report it, but I had noticed that after the winter season, after that severe winter storm that we had 2 weeks ago, the lake that was close by there, thousands of tilapia fish were frozen dead. Just floating on top of the water. Thousands of tilapia. But only the tilapia, not the bass and not the catfish or the gar. We have a lot of gar, catfish, and bass, but we pretty much got rid of all the tilapia. All the tilapia is gone. It all froze. So we had hundreds of vultures out there pretty much eating the dead flesh, and in one way or another cleaning the lake from all the dead fish. So anyway, that's all I have for today, and hope you all are doing good. You all maintain your special distancing, and you all stay safe out there.